Hey there, healthy hair enthusiasts! Welcome to another hair improvement video where we dive into the magic of Heavenly Essence Shampoo. Picture this, your hair on cloud 9, feeling as light and fresh as a morning breeze. Heavenly Essence isn't just a shampoo. It's crafted around the element of ether designed to align with our beautify hair goal. Yep, we're talking about the divine touch your locks deserve. So what's the secret recipe? It's a blend of botanicals, minerals, and essential oils like green tea, prickly pear, wintergreen, clary sage, and sweet orange fused together for a power-packed mixture that not only cleans, but also energizes, detoxifies, and gives your scalp what it's been missing. It's basically a hair spa in a bottle. You might have noticed that it has an earthy color, right? Well, that's the mark of pure hand-picked botanicals, raw, wild-crafted, and absolutely 100% synthetic chemical-free. The key factor that really separates our all-natural shampoos from the rest is that they are sulfate-free, which means no sudsing or foaming effect when you use it. It might take a little getting used to, but this really lets your hair detoxify and thrive. Here's a fun fact. These amazing ingredients are so concentrated that you can actually give it a little high five with water, diluting it 50-50 for an extra gentle cleanse. Easy peasy. Application? Piece of cake. Massage it into your hair and scalp once to break up the remnants of your day's adventures and twice to let your hair absorb the healthy nutrients. It also works great in a hair cycling routine along with our 4 other all-natural shampoos. For the best results, simply use a different shampoo and conditioner each time you wash your hair. And guess what? This heavenly experience is not just for grown-ups. Morrocco Method also makes a Heavenly Essence baby shampoo, perfect for your little ones. So if you're on the hunt for a shampoo that will brighten up your day, is gentle enough for the whole family, and is packed with heavenly goodness, Heavenly Essence Shampoo is beckoning to you for a day of beautiful relaxation and rejuvenation. Trust me, your hair will thank you later.